Good afternoon, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well and had a great weekend. Today is Monday, 15 June 2020, and we're going to analyze Nifty on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and also we're going to analyze the pick of the week. So first, I'm going to analyze Nifty on the weekly charts, which is the higher time frame. So if you watched my video last week, you would have probably seen that we filled the gap of this yellow line, which was about 9,600 levels. And from there, we kind of reversed on Friday in the afternoon. But this week, what we've done is that we've opened lower than previous close of Friday. And also, we have been in a bearish day. So we've been in the red all day. We opened lower and then we went further down. And from there, now we're trying to make a reversal. So on the bigger time frame, Nifty still looks in between the range of 9,600 and about 10,300 levels. So we'll see what happens during the week. Now we will go and analyze the daily time frame. So we'll see what happens in Nifty and what is happening out there. So as you can see, the yellow line is the same, which is of 9,600, and that's where the gap was filled on Friday. And it had basically gapped down on Friday. It went and it filled the gap on Friday, and then by Friday afternoon it retraced everything and it landed up closing in the green. So that was a bullish candle. So we need a little bit more information on the daily time frame, as this is an in-between candle, because it's not gone and tested Friday's high and nor has it gone and tested Friday's low. So this is an in-between candle, but it's still in a bearish kind of trend. So if anything, if it breaks the high, then we could probably take a Nifty long trade, and if it breaks this low, then you could think about continuing the short trend trade. But for now, looks like Nifty is going to be range bound, so anywhere between under 10,000 and above 9,500 looks very likely for the Nifty to be traded for the whole week. So that was Nifty on the daily time frame. My script for the week and the pick for the week for now is Z Limited, which would be a short trade. So you would shorten in the futures market and then cover it up. So I've actually already taken this trade in the morning and I had showed it live on Instagram. So if you want to follow my live trades on Instagram, my handle is Sid Panjabi, and we're short on Z Limited. So we can see that Z looks like it's going to correct down to around 150 levels, and you can keep a stop loss of this week's high, which was around 177 levels. So the risk to reward could be in your favor, and we would not expect Z to break above 180 levels in the near run. So that's my short pick for the week. My long pick for the week is Apollo Hospitals, and if you look at that on the weekly time frame, we're pretty much range bound on Apollo Hospitals, and we look like we've pretty much hit a resistance level for now, but also we are at a very strong support. So if anything, it looks more likely that we might break out on the upside, and again your risk to reward probably would be favorable on the long side. So looks like the pharma sector is also pretty strong, and we could be heading for a good upside on the pharma sector. So I would pick Apollo Hospitals, and also if another script which I've been tracking very closely has been Sun Pharma, and Sun Pharma looks pretty range bound right now, but we look like we might be heading towards 500 levels. So these are the picks of the week, and you please put a tight stop loss. Trade with a little caution, since we're in a very volatile situation right now, and also trade with your risk management. Please follow your risk management and trade well. Thank you.